I came into the area called the Drag. It's a neighborhood west of the UT campus in Austin on my way to play a gig at Industry near East 6th Street. This little strip of stores is known as the Drag. It's located right along the UT campus, and it's right along Guadalupe Street. And the footage I'm showing here is of this area in May, and it's right between the end of spring semester and before the beginning of summer semester, so there aren't too many students going about now, as you would typically see. And this little area has seen a lot of change. You can find some really old and classic places here, along with some more corporate chain stores that have popped up. You can find a lot of apartments where students can live, and you can find a lot of retail where students can buy those things that they need. There's hip stores along here, there's a college bookstore, places where you can buy some shoes, and there's a fair number of places where you can eat and drink, including a whole collection of food trucks, place for pizza, Torchy's Tacos. And then you can find those eye-catching signs and a bunch of cool-looking murals all scattered around the area. So I had a good time walking this strip on a relaxing afternoon, checking out all these places, walking along these big old sidewalks they've got here. And I followed that sidewalk all the way to a demolished building, which has the Hi, How Are You mural, the pretty popular mural that Daniel Johnson painted here. Even though they had demolished the building, they have kept the mural intact. And I had heard about this. I'd seen some photos about this. But it was nice to see that it actually was being preserved, and pretty wild to see that whole building had been demolished. Now, going along this strip, one of the popular spots for food is this place called Kerbey Lane. And the place where I ended up finding food is a place called Dirty Martin's Place. It's been there since 1926, and it's known for their hamburgers and their milkshakes. And it was here when this area was considered far north of Austin. And it really is a historic landmark and a preservation of the culture of Austin. It's called Dirty's because the floor used to be made out of dirt. And one of the hallmarks of the place is just this really outgoing and interesting staff that they've had working there throughout all the years that made this place special. In terms of the music that you can find here, the Hole in the Wall is a really big and notable one. It's got a recognizable sign right there along the strip. Being here since 1974, they had Doug Somm was a regular here, guys like Shaky Graves, Bob Schneider, Gary Clark Jr., they were all hustling here. So there's tons of legendary stories at the Hole in the Wall. Another spot right here in this neighborhood is Cactus Cafe, which is located in the Student Union of the University of Texas campus.
This is a special, special room, as we all know. Many friendships, songs, and inspirations have been born in this room. In generations before us and generations after us. I want to thank Cactus. I want to thank all the people within it. And for the toast tonight, I'll quote Edna St. Vincent Millay. She said, what did she say? She said, the candle burns at both ends. It will not last the night. But my friends, and the music that gives such a lovely light. Cheers.
And then you get your humble pie when you finally realize everybody plays guitar in Austin.
So after that walk along the Drag area, I ultimately made it out to Industry on East 6th Street where I had my gig. I played here multiple times before, and it's a fun place to play. So I enjoy hanging out there, playing my songs for the other folks who are also out there hanging out on a nice and breezy day. You're a yes man, you're a useful idiot with greasy hair and your clothes don't fit. You got a big fat face, big fat hands, I don't like your walk, I don't understand. You're a yes man, such a productive fool. You got the big boss catching up with you, so sorry boss. I'll be there sharp with the latest tie and the latest chart. Yeah, you're a fixture, just walking around. You got a clipboard, better write it all down. You got the numbers, check them on the daily, and you're looking at the numbers, make you feel so good. So you think about it while you listen to the talk radio. when you're on your way home to the suburbs. It's where you won't get shot and the cars slow down when you're walking your dog. So thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about the music scene around Texas and touring around Texas from the big cities to the small towns. So check out the tons of videos I got on my YouTube channel highlighting those different areas. Hit the subscribe and the bell button to stay tuned on my posts here. Let me know what else I should check out, and thank you for your support.